Hello and welcome back to Top Amazon Finds, your trusted guide for uncovering the best products available on Amazon. Today we're diving into the aromatic world of coffee, focusing on the top 5 automatic espresso machines of 2024. Whether you're an espresso aficionado or someone who loves the convenience of a great cup of coffee at home, we've got you covered with the best options available this year. So let's brew the perfect cup with these exceptional automatic espresso machines. Starting off our list at number 1 is the De'Yongkai Magnifica Start Automatic Espresso Machine. This machine is designed to make your coffee-making experience as effortless as possible. With its intuitive interface and one-touch operation, you can easily prepare your favorite espresso drinks. The De'Yongkai Magnifica features a powerful 15-bar pump that ensures rich, aromatic espresso every time. Additionally, it has a built-in grinder with adjustable settings, allowing you to customize the grind size for your preferred taste. Its compact design makes it suitable for any kitchen, and the easy-to-clean components ensure hassle-free maintenance. Next on our list at number 2 is the Cafe Effetto Automatic Espresso Machine. This sleek and stylish machine not only looks great on your countertop but also delivers exceptional performance. The Cafe Effetto features a smart sensor that automatically adjusts the brewing parameters based on the type of coffee being used, ensuring optimal extraction. Its touch-sensitive controls and customizable drink options make it easy to create your perfect espresso, cappuccino, or latte. The machine also includes a frother for creamy milk-based drinks and a large water reservoir for multiple servings without frequent refills. Moving on to our third pick, the Gaggia Magenta Prestige Super Automatic Espresso Machine. This machine combines Italian craftsmanship with modern technology to provide an unparalleled coffee experience. The Gaggia Magenta Prestige offers a wide range of customizable drink options, from espresso to flat whites, with just a touch of a button. Its ceramic burr grinder ensures consistent grind size and preserves the flavor of your coffee beans. The machine also features an integrated milk carafe that froths milk automatically, making it perfect for creating professional quality lattes and cappuccinos at home. Its user-friendly interface and easy maintenance make it a favorite among coffee enthusiasts. Switching gears to our fourth option, we have the Gaggia Academia Luxury Automatic Espresso Machine. This high-end machine is designed for those who want the best of the best in their coffee-making arsenal. The Gaggia Academia offers a dual boiler system that allows for simultaneous brewing and steaming, ensuring your coffee is always served at the perfect temperature. It features a touchscreen display with customizable drink settings, so you can easily tailor your coffee to your exact preferences. The machine also includes an automatic milk frothing system and a built-in ceramic grinder, providing a seamless and luxurious coffee-making experience. Its elegant design and premium materials make it a standout addition to any kitchen. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Nespresso Virtuo Pop Deluxe. This machine is perfect for those who want the convenience of single-serve coffee without compromising on quality. The Nespresso Virtuo Pop Deluxe uses Nespresso's unique centrifusion technology, which spins the coffee capsule at high speed to extract every drop of flavor. It offers a variety of cup sizes, from espresso to alto, and automatically adjusts the brewing parameters for each capsule type. The machine's compact design and easy-to-use interface make it a great choice for small kitchens or office spaces. Plus, it comes with a selection of Nespresso capsules to get you started on your coffee journey. And there you have it, the best 5 automatic espresso machines in 2024. Each of these machines offers unique features and benefits to suit a variety of coffee preferences, From the customizable options of the Gadget Magenta Prestige to the single-serve convenience of the Nespresso Virtuo Pop Deluxe. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or simply looking for an easy way to enjoy great coffee at home, there's an espresso machine on this list that's perfect for you. Check the links in the description below for more details and purchasing options. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Top Amazon Finds for more insights into the latest and greatest products on the market. Thanks for watching and happy brewing!